Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone apps not downloading from App Store on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then tap on your Apple account. Now from here, you will find the option of sign out. Now just tap on sign out and sign out of your Apple account, then wait for a few seconds and sign back in. Now, once you do that, and if this did not fix your issue, now for the next step, you must know the passcode of your parental controls. And remember that it is different from your lock screen passcode. Now, once you get the password of your parental controls, just open settings, then go to screen time. Now from here, you will find the option of content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it. And now from here, you can either disable content and privacy restrictions, and it will remove all the parental controls restrictions on your iPhone. Or you can just disable the restrictions related to your App Store. Now for that, first of all, just tap on Allowed Apps and Features, and from here, just make sure you enable all these options. After that, just go back and tap on App Store, Media, and Web and Games. And from here, just make sure you enable all these options. Now after that, just go back and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now from here, just make sure you allow installing apps and in-app purchases. Now once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just go to apps, then tap on App Store. Now from here, just enable app downloads, then scroll down and tap on app downloads, and from here just select always allow. Now after that, just go to your home screen and swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the connection section of your control center and tap on the airplane mode and enable airplane mode on your iPhone. After that, just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode one more time and disable airplane mode on your iPhone. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. And this is how you can fix iPhone apps not downloading from App Store on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.